Respect and responsibility might not be up here in words, but it certainly runs through from take notice right the way through to having integrity. In my view, respect can be hard earned, but also, for me as a teacher, is something I give away freely. Of course, people need to take responsibility for that, so it can be lost or taken away. And usually my assemblies about respect are intertwined with the community, our school values, because of course they're all important to us. But it doesn't stop at the school gate, and nor does it stop at the home, at the front door, in either direction. Showing both respect and responsibility says a lot about you as a person, and it really shows a true measure of what type of person you are. RESPECT, let's find out what it means to me, and of course responsibility. Now some of these things can start from the smallest of actions, just like this. Like simply saying thank you to someone that stopped for you at a zebra crossing. And of course, respect and responsibility can resonate for our lives, no more so than right now.
We need to think about how people have different experiences. We are all riding the same storm, but in a different boat. Your experience over this period will be different to the next person's. We will need to respect this. Some of us have experienced those around us becoming ill, face family struggles, or even loss. Now it's important to take responsibility for ourselves and others.
It could be that someone needs a check-in, a slice of positivity, and it's good that we have more ability to go out and about. But it's not just our closest friends that we need to check in on, it's part of our local community.
I'm sure you've all seen on social media problems caused by young and old not having respect or taking responsibility.
And in all cases, this has had a knock-on effect, causing extra work, places to close, and risk to others, especially their health. It was not so long ago that there was a big push on environmental change, and we did our bit as a school to clean up the beaches of Canby. But a lack of respect and responsibility puts our environment at risk again. We've seen some amazing positive things as well, though, in the media. We've seen people show respect and positivity and responsibility by making masks, getting involved in call centres and making a difference. What we'd love to see from you is some of the things that you've done and you've put together to help you and your local community. Share the positivity with us through Teams. We look forward to seeing some great examples. Thank you.
Thank you.